I'm Paridhi Jain, a student of class 12th at Excel Educational Institute, Raipur. It has been more than a month that Excel has started virtual classes, and it has been a great experience because virtual classes has its own advantages. Firstly, we are provided with 24/7 doubt clearing facilities. हम सारे टीचर्स को कभी भी मैसेज या कॉन्टैक्ट कर सकते हैं एंड दे ट्राई टू क्लियर अ डाउट एज सून एज पॉसिबल. Secondly, it ensures an effective time management. Unlike face-to-face classes, we save our traveling time and we can study conveniently at our respective homes. Online tests are held every Saturday, which help us to know that where we stand among the other students. The, Although the classes are virtual, but teachers try their best to involve everybody and make the class interactive just like face-to-face classes, and the classes are held very smoothly without any interruption. हमको सारा स्टडी मटेरियल लाइक फॉर्मूला शीट्स एंड प्रैक्टिस पेपर्स टेस्ट पेपर्स हमारे व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे इन द फॉर्म ऑफ पीडीएफ्स भेज दिया जाता है विच हेल्प अस टू सप्लीमेंट आवर स्टडीज़ वेरी इफेक्टिवली. These virtual classes have really been very effective and they ensure that our studies keep on going and are not affected by COVID-19. We all students are really very thankful to the Excel team and the staff for their efforts. Thank you.
हेलो एवरीवन, माई सेल्फ आदित्य सिंघानिया और मैं एक्सेल में क्लास 12 का स्टूडेंट हूँ. एक्सेल की जो ऑनलाइन क्लासेस शुरू हुई है वो हम स्टूडेंट्स के लिए बहुत बेनिफिशियल है. हमें जो भी पढ़ाया जाता है वो बहुत ही अच्छी क्वालिटी और बहुत ही अच्छे टेक्निक से पढ़ाया जाता है, जिससे हमें लगता ही नहीं है कि हम लाइव क्लासेस में नहीं हैं. एक्सेल की एक बहुत ही अच्छी फैसिलिटी ये है कि वो हमें 24 आवर्स इंटू 7 डेज़ डाउट क्लियरिंग फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड करते हैं, जिसमें हम जो भी हमें डाउट आता है हम सर से वाया मैसेज या वाया फ़ोन कॉल डिस्कस कर सकते हैं और हमारा डाउट क्लियर कर सकते हैं. जो भी हमें पढ़ाया जाता है उसका वीकली एक टेस्ट होता है, जिस टेस्ट का रिज़ल्ट हमें 2 से 3 दिन के स्पैन में मिल जाता है. और अगर हमें उस टेस्ट के रिगार्डिंग भी कुछ डाउट है तो हम वो भी सर से डिस्कस कर सकते हैं. तो मैं यही कहूँगा कि अगर आप पढ़ना चाहते हैं अच्छे तरीके से तो एक्सेल इज़ द राइट प्लेस फॉर यू. थैंक यू.
Hello everyone, I'm Ethan Chowda and I have enrolled in Excel Educational Institute for my class 12 studies. When the dates of the virtual classes were announced, honestly I was worried about how the teachers would manage to cover the vast syllabus and also prepare us for the board exams. But as the days passed, I was confident that the lockdown will not affect me. That's because my faculties were successful in providing me with the best video quality of lectures, their explanation techniques being so elaborate that I'm able to understand each and every topic without getting distracted. The teachers make the atmosphere of a class so interactive that we feel free to ask our doubts then and there. Except that Excel has also got a 24/7 doubt clearance feature where we can call them or message them directly to clear our doubts that arise while doing our homework. Plus, tests are conducted on a weekly basis, keeping in view the pattern of our board exam papers, that is subjective as well as objective type questions. Lastly, I would like to say that Excel's virtual classes have been incredibly helpful for me. Thanks to the sincere efforts of Mr. Vatan sir, Sunil sir and Sunny sir. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Preksha. I'm in grade 12 and I study maths in Excel Institute. Well, to be honest, when we were first introduced with the idea of online classes, I really wasn't thrilled. But with the continuous efforts of our teachers who tried to make us feel comfortable as live classes was remarkable. Teachers here tried to adapt certain techniques and methods to make us understand the concept really well even in online classes. The video quality of online class is just amazing. It's full HD. If we have a doubt, teachers are just a message or call away, and our doubts are clear within 24 hours via call, video call, and an image. Teachers here also keep a track on our studies by giving us tests, and the results of the tests are given within the gap of 4 to 5 days. Well, with Excel, online classes are fun, and just a little effort is required from our side to make the things easier. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I am Bhavijan and I am a student of class 12. I have been studying in Excel Institute since class 11 and my studying experience with the institute is quite good. I really appreciate the initiative and efforts taken by the institute of teaching online. It really helps us a lot. Even though it's the first time to teach online, we cannot feel even a slight of difference in the teaching methods of the teachers. And it's not just about the teaching methods. Everything is just the same, except the place of study. The teachers have been taking regular tests and have been providing us with the results and solutions very quickly. And they are also regularly giving us the homeworks. And it's not that once they have given the homework and they are done. They properly take the follow-up and clear our doubts in the classes, and they are also clearing our doubts even after the classes. We are free to call the teachers if we have any doubt apart from the topic we are studying or after this classes, which helps us to maintain the flow of our studies. And I'm really thankful to the institute for